Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using an invite link, using the brand new method for 2025. Whether you're working remotely, attending virtual classes, or just joining a team call, this step-by-step guide will make the process effortless. So let's dive right in. Locate the invite link. The first step is to find your meeting invitation. Most invites come through your email, so check your Gmail inbox. Open the email that contains the Microsoft Teams meeting link. Click the meeting link. Once you've found the email, click on the Teams link. This will take you straight to the meeting page in a new browser tab. Clicking the link directly from your email is the easiest way to avoid errors from copying and pasting. Accessing the meeting via browser. When the Teams page opens, you'll usually see a prompt asking whether you want to download the Teams app or continue in your browser. For this method, select Continue on this browser. This is perfect if you don't have the app installed or are using a public or shared computer. Permissions and loading. Next, be patient as Teams loads. You might see a pop-up requesting permission to use your microphone and camera. Make sure to allow these permissions so you can participate fully in the meeting. Joining the meeting. Once the page finishes loading, you'll see a Join Now button. Click it and you're in. Make sure your audio and video devices are properly set up so you can see and communicate with everyone in the meeting. And that's it. Joining a Microsoft Teams meeting with an invite link has never been easier. Using this new 2025 method, you can jump into meetings quickly without any hassle. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.